Welcome to this walk around video. Today we've got this lovely facelifted Mercedes-Benz G-Class, being the G450d Premium Plus. As you may have noticed, the colour, it is vintage blue G Manufaktur paint, being a £4,000 option. Does also come equipped with the night package, a further £1,500 option. Multibeam LED headlights with the adaptive high beam assist plus. You do of course have the parking package with 3D surround cameras, heated windscreen, and you do of course have all the gloss black and other black accents to the exterior, along with your 20-inch AMG alloy wheels. Of course you do have the running boards, and if we move around to the rear you do have the spare wheel cover and tow bar as well. Take a look inside, lovely condition. It is a one owner vehicle and has done just over 800 miles from new. They did opt for the Macchiato Beige and Black leather interior. Of course have the dinamica headlining with the sliding front sunroof. Heated outer rear seats with Burmester 3D surround sound system. It's even got all the films on the illuminated door sills and the widescreen infotainment display. Of course heated front seats with the memory package, and does have the facelifted steering wheel as well as the infotainment. Just lovely condition as you'd expect for the age and the mileage. It does of course have your driver's assistance package, off-road cockpit, dual zone climate control in the front. Does even have a wireless charger and climate controlled cup holders, so heated and cooled. Just a very unique, lovely spec, and you won't see many like this one. Like I said, it is one owner from new and does come with the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty until September 2028. If you do have any more questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133.